of Greenwich, Connecticut. Lynn has spent almost 3 decades working for the community of Greenwich. She has a record of delivering on her promises for the community and also works for all Greenwich citizens. Please welcome Lynn Avery to the floor.
Thank you very much. I'm deeply honored to be here tonight, and you're amazing. I can't believe how much you have accomplished in 1 year. It is just extraordinary. It's this whole committee that pledged that they were going to work so hard, and they did. And you should be so pleased. You know, we all come from different places in this country, and I'm first generation American. And if we can cherish what each of our cultures are and maintain them, then we really can continue to bring richness to this country, because it is our diversity that makes us as strong as we are. But coming together as a culture and maintaining who you are gives you great strength and pride and identity and values, and it's a great honor to see that happening tonight. And I promise that if you bring me back, I will dance much better.
Thank you, Lynn Avery, for those inspiring messages. And next we'll also have Consul General come back to the floor.
Sir.
Hello. Thank you, Consul General.
Well, congratulations to CAFAF Inc. We never expected to see so much fun tonight, but you did. It just shows how well-organized CAFAF Inc. is. And we at the Philippine Consulate General is very proud to have you as part of the Filipino-American community in Northeast USA. You have done so much in so short a time, and we are very, very proud of you. I'd like to thank your president, Mr. Romy Somodio, for inviting us. For those who thought of organizing CAFAF Inc., the 4 Jacks, and those who, the other supporters, the youth and the young professionals, our future generations here in Connecticut, the future really belongs to them. And you know, to see all of you here tonight, we see the potential of the Filipino-American community, not only in Connecticut, not only in the tri-state area, but in the whole of Northeast USA. The past year have taught us a lot. You know, we almost won the election of a councilman, a Filipino-American in Jersey City. And that won't be the last that we're going to try to put a Filipino-American in the City Hall of any cities here in Connecticut. In Connecticut, in New Jersey, in New York, and other parts of Northeast USA. So there is power in number, and the Filipinos are, you know, in well positioned, are in the communities, in offices that are well respected, and it's just a matter of time for us to make a mark in politics, in U.S. politics. Come January 2010, there will be a national census. And for the first time, you will see a portion there asking the respondents about their nationalities. And for the first time, you will see a tick there, Filipino-Americans.
That's right.
So for now, they're going to ask how many Filipino-Americans are there in the whole of USA. Before, we were lumped under the Asians and the Pacific Islanders. But they know now how many we are here in the US. So we ask each and every one of you, and please tell your relatives and friends, to please support this national census in 2010. It's time that they know how many we are here in the United States of America. And secondly, I'd like to thank all of you who, one way or another, directly or indirectly, have supported our countrymen back home during this time of natural calamity. We've had not only 1 big typhoon, but 2 One was, right now, Typhoon Ramil is in northern Luzon. Okay, so we've had 3 already, and I know that many of you have already given support and help one way or another to our countrymen back home. So we do appreciate all the help that you have given to them. We in the Philippine Consulate General in New York is trying to gather all the support also of some of the Filipino Americans here who have not yet helped. Our office is open until October 30 to receive all the donations of the Filipino American community. So if some of you would like to help, our office is still open to receive all of them. So again, good luck to CAFAF Inc. More power, and I know that you will still do a lot of things in the coming years